Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm in Chicago Cutlery, and they have a lot of Zippos, as well as knives and much more outdoor stuff. Look at all the watches. I mean, it is amazing. I got a pen here for, won't just will it, $11.99. I can get one for $9.99. Zippo. So, just wanted to show you that. Refills. I got watches. Zippo watches. 78, 60, 38. So, they got all kinds. You guys might just have to pause the video. They got old classic cars and other stuff here too. Knives. But, here, there's a whole big display case of them. Both sides. And his side's mainly plain ones over here, looks like. So, just want to show you that. I'll go over to the next section and do more videos for you guys.